Hello, 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 this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. I hope everyone's doing well. I am going to be doing a tutorial, and here's the hat that I have crocheted. It's done in double crochet, and I will give you the numbers. I'm just working on with a different yarn to give the same look. It's a bucket hat, and I just love how it's turned out. I did use a very thin yarn, and I will show you that yarn. You can also come to my Instagram page and check, because I am working with this huge cone that I had in my stash for 2 years, and I just love how the edge looks on the hat. So maybe the yarn was a big success, I don't know, but I am trying to figure out to work with different yarns. So I will do the tutorial hopefully this weekend, and we will talk soon. So if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button so every time I post a new video you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. You guys take care. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.